the mud bog today. Around the galley. So we'll wait for some trucks to come. Galley in Melbourne, Florida. Got a mud pit, sand dragons in the middle. Little truck is called Yellow Jacket Racing. Mega trucks are arriving. Look at that bitch, that's hot. I like that. Oh, wow. It's huge. Cool, man. My truck's everywhere. That one. cool. Pretty cool. Wow, it's cool. Wow, cool deal. Little mud.
Think about it. If you're running 1 or 60 lane or whatever, static.
Hey YouTubers, welcome to Yowie's Next Time Drag.
Foot in the left lane, Dennis Adams in the right lane. Heads up. Hard in the left lane, Tom Taylor in the Casper truck. This thing is a twin turbo small block Chevrolet. In the right lane, David Robertson locked and loaded. David Roberts went to 4:06.8. Tom Taylor needs to rerun. For Mike Jackson, 90 Mike Sobel and Tommy Mann, Jerry and Luann on deck. Jerry on the Can-Am, Luann in the Steamboat on deck. In the right lane. for Tommy Mann. Mike Sobel in the gold Ford runs a 5552. Four-wheeler runs a 4842. Luann runs a 3892. West Railing Jr. in the left lane in the red Chevrolet. David Roberts in the right lane in locked and loaded. West running on the 55.
And a little truck on 44.
Alright, looks like we got a change in the lineup. It's going to be Stucco Steve on the left-hand side. Roberts in the right side. Penny Plowman and Corbin Taylor on deck. Penny and Corbin on deck. Stucco Steve runs a 4273. Robert runs a 4294. Corbin Taylor, Penny Plowman, let's go. You guys are next. Mike Atkins and Amy Taylor on deck. Mike Atkins and Amy Taylor on deck. Right now you got Penny Plowman in the right lane. He's driving the little nut. F-150. In the left lane, Corbin Taylor in the transfer truck. Twin Turbo, small box Chevrolet. Amy Taylor runs a 4938. Mike Atkins 4249. Alright, Robbie on the four-wheel, making it look easy, man. 6188. 6188. Round two, David Roberts, Tom Taylor. Come on down, guys. Alright, Luann in the right lane, in the world's famous steamboat, trucked by Trotter. And the left lane is going to be Jerry on the Can-Am. Luann runs a 3897, Jerry 5780. So we do got a couple ringers here with us today. David Roberts and locked and loaded, looking for you on the line. David Roberts, locked and loaded.
Truck's 5 feet off the ground.
Right in the left lane, West Railing Jr. in the red Chevrolet. In the right lane, David Robertson, locked and loaded. Stucco Steve and Robert, be getting ready, guys. Custom Truck Shop and Stucco Money. Football, you guys are next. 4843 for West, 4114 for David Roberts. David Roberts is 001 out right now. I need Robert in the white S10. Custom Truck Shop. Stucco Speed driving football. Football in the left lane. Custom Truck Shop, Robert behind the wheel in the right lane. Penny Plowman, you will be on deck by yourself. Second speed 4336. Robert runs a 4119. He's going to be in the right lane this time. Dennis Adams in the wide open truck is going to be in the left lane. Right now, Rick Stubblefield has one loss. Dennis has none. Running the whole action. Let me get my timers in place. Josh is going to be up first, then Timmy Riggs, then Wes. Penny Plowman is having problems with his truck. He will give me a word.
That's not nice.
But next time you see Catherine, you can run in the mud.
This truck gets in the way. Where are we
All right, Josh, come on down.
I want to hit me with the rock. Like you hit again.
All right, we get the White International Scout. First up in the hill in the hole. Jimmy Riggs, you will be on deck. Jimmy Riggs, you will be on deck. Hey, Jimmy's driving a black Toyota he likes to call Jimmy Rig. This guy loves to jump. Wes Rayman Jr. on deck.
Oh, he going big.
That's what I'm talking about right there. Mr. Jimmy Rig.
If you're down there, you're down there.
Oh, get it done.
If you were right there, you would go there.
Tired, high flying trucks with them. All right, I'm going to work. All right, we worked Jimmy Rig, swung the power steering belt off. So Wes Rayman Jr. is going to make a second pass, and Vinny Plowman is going to make a pass. One more time, tighten them belts up, turn the bottle on, and let it fly. Vinny Plowman in the little mud. stop it.
Ooh, is it moving?
Six, 349, 6349. Tommy Man, come on back down for a rerun. Alright, coming up next, Wes Wayland Jr. in the red Chevrolet. Luann Stanley on deck. Luann Stanley on deck. Then we'll go to round two, guys. Luann Stanley coming up next in the Steamboat. Round two is next. Hold him up. Hold. Alright, looks like we got mud on the clock.